In the dense fabric of urban environments, designing a house that feels open and connected to nature can be challenging, especially on a narrow plot of 7 meters by 30 meters. This tropical small modern urban house achieves this through innovative design that merges modern aesthetics with tropical living principles. The architecture harmonizes efficiency, sustainability, and luxury, creating a sanctuary amidst the urban hustle. A central courtyard is a hallmark of this design, providing a private outdoor space that serves as the heart of the home. It often features a small pool, which acts as a cooling element and a focal point of relaxation. The exterior showcases clean, modern lines with a minimalist aesthetic. The use of natural materials like wood and stone complements large glass surfaces, fostering a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. The facade often features sun-shading devices such as louvers or overhangs to mitigate heat gain while maintaining a sleek, contemporary look. The entry and the initial impression of a house play crucial roles in setting the tone for the entire design. In the case of a tropical, small, modern urban house, these aspects are meticulously crafted to offer a welcoming and striking first encounter that seamlessly blends modern architecture with tropical elegance. The integration of a pool in the courtyard enhances this experience, offering visual and sensory delight from the moment one steps inside. The courtyard with a small pool is a defining feature, enhancing the tropical ambience. It offers a private oasis that supports relaxation and social interaction. The pool, although compact, provides a cooling effect and contributes to the microclimate. The indoor living spaces are characterized by open, fluid layouts that promote social interaction and flexibility. The design principles focus on maximizing natural light, ventilation, and visual connection to the outdoors, essential elements for a tropical climate. In the tropical small modern urban house design, the dining and kitchen areas are central to the home's functionality and social life. These spaces are designed to be practical, inviting, and seamlessly integrated with both the indoor and outdoor living areas. They reflect the modern aesthetic while embracing tropical elements that enhance comfort and usability in a warm climate. tropical, small, modern urban house, the bedroom design reflects a careful balance between comfort, privacy, and a connection to the natural environment. The bedrooms serve as personal sanctuaries within the home, designed to provide relaxation and rejuvenation. This is achieved through thoughtful spatial planning, choice of materials, and integration of natural elements, all while adhering to a modern aesthetic that complements the overall design of the house. The tropical, small, modern urban house exemplifies how thoughtful design can transform a narrow urban plot into a luxurious, functional, and sustainable home. The integration of modern architectural elements with tropical features creates a harmonious living environment that offers comfort, privacy, and a strong connection to nature. The courtyard with a small pool not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also provides a refreshing retreat, embodying the essence of tropical living within an urban context. This design demonstrates that with creativity and attention to detail, even compact urban spaces can become exceptional residential havens,